Imagine having to get brand deals and collaboration even with less than 1k subscriber. Yes, I did it. I usually think that people that talked about this thing on YouTube are just saying clickbait, they are just saying things on YouTube, or maybe they are even lying. But it has happened to me, and this is a testimony that I'm about to share with you. And also in this video, I'm going to be sharing you how the brands were able to reach out to me because of my niche, and niches that will not be able to get brand deals. That is the two aspects I'm going to be talking about in this video. So sit back and relax so that as you are going on this your YouTube journey, you will not be doing it in vain. You will not sit here for 7 years, 10 years, and you've not gotten any brands, or you've not even made any significant money on YouTube. Now I'm going to be showing you what happened. On the 1st of November, I already made a decision that I was going to be posting for 30 days. That's how I'm going to be doing a vlogmas series that is posting consistently for 30 days. And when that happened, I already started with my 8th video, and I've already started posting. And on the 3rd day of my vlogmas series, that is this November and December is my vlogmas series. On the 3rd day of my vlogmas series, a brand reached out to me. I'm not going to be talking about the name of the brand. I'm only going to be telling you what they do, but I'm not going to say the name of the brand or anything. Why? And I'm not going to be telling you the reason why I don't work with the brand. It's personal reason. So, but this is a good sign, because as a YouTuber, if brands have already started reaching out to you, even if it's for product collaboration or paid sponsorship, you are doing the right things on YouTube. It means that what you are doing, the niche that you are into, is going to keep bringing more big brands to your way. Sorry, I'm going to be talking about the niches that are not going to be bringing brand collaboration to you, and the niche that will bring brand collaboration to you. Now, first, we are going to talk about the niche that is going to bring brand collaboration to you. First of all, before we dive into this video, my name is Blessing, and if you are coming across my channel for the first time, I am a YouTuber and I teach tips and strategies on how to grow your YouTube channel, mistakes to avoid, and things to imbibe that is helping me in my channel and is going to help you also in your channel. If this is the video you have been looking for, do well to subscribe to my channel so that you will be the first person to get notified whenever I post a video. And now let's dive into this video. Now, one of the things that stood out in this thing is that when this brand reached out to me, they were like, it's an AI tool. So they reached out to me on the 3rd of November. Now, this is the email. I'm going to be reading out the email to you. Now, this is the email and this is the content. Hello, grow with Blessing. This is Dash from Dash, and I'm happy to contact you on behalf of Dash, that is the company. And this is an AI-empowered video content trend prediction platform designed to help creators discover trending topics, analyze popular videos, and create truly relatable content. And I believe that this is where it gets juicy. We believe that your unique creative style perfectly aligns with the future of AI-driven content, which is the company, and saves significant research time and stay uptrend to optimize your videos. It just means that they found my content worthy to be able to collaborate with this AI tool, and this is very, very good, because now I'm going to be telling you the first niche that you should be able to put your mind into when you want to start your YouTube channel. If you are just coming up or you have been thinking of changing your niche, this is going to work for you. Now, the first niche you should be able to consider and put in mind is the education and the how-to niche. That is the people that do education niche and the teaching niche. Once you are in this niche, you'll be able to get big brand deals. Once you are in the education niche and creator too, you are always talking about productivity, education. You are always talking about creators too, what they use for their social media handle and how they can use it to boost their social media. If you're always talking about this type of niche, if you're in this type of niche, you'll be able to talk about tools that they use for their channel. So these people are going to reach out to you. Potential sponsors that are going to reach out to you are Notion, ClickUp, Skillshare, Coursera, all AI tools. You are going to make a whole lot of money if you concentrate on this type of niche. Now, the second type of niche you should concentrate on is the beauty and the fashion and the lifestyle. This niche brings a whole lot of big brand deals to your side. That means you are going to get a whole lot of money if you are on this niche. The potential sponsors you are going to have for this niche is the Sephora, the Shein, the Fashion Nova, the Temu, the skincare startups, those skincare startup brands. They are going to reach out to you, and again, you will have a lot of CPM and RPM and frequent brand collaboration if you are in this beauty and fashion and lifestyle niche. Now, the other niche that you should need to put in your efforts into is the health and fitness and wellness niche. This niche, you are going to get a whole lot of potential brand sponsor from MyProtein, Skillshare, Whoop, gym wear companies. They are going to reach out to you because you are having their audience in your corner. So now, the other big niche I'm going to be talking about again is the business and entrepreneurship and marketing niche. If you are in this niche, like you talk about how to start up a business with just $100, $1,000, how the kind of business you should focus on. If you are in this type of niche, you are making a whole lot of money on YouTube. You will not use more than 1 year. They will start reaching out to you, even if you don't have millions of views. That is how good this is. Now, your potential brand sponsors will be like Hotspot, Shopify, VDIQ, Fiverr, and all these apps that you use to get to be able to start business and to be able to look for jobs. Those apps, those are the people that are going to be reaching out to you. And now, the other bigger niche, like I'm going from bottom to top. The other bigger niche is finance and investing niche. This niche is the biggest. Like you make a whole lot of money if you are in this niche. This niche high CPM is over 30 to $60 and above. And again, your potential sponsors, that is your potential sponsor are Webull, NordVPN, personal finance app, that is finance app, like those apps that are into finance, courses platform. They are going to reach out to you, and these people pay big amount of money. If your CPM is 30 to $60, imagine a brand reaching out to you. You are going to make over $10,000 to $15,000, depend on your views and your subscriber counts. But note that even if you have less than 1,000 subscribers and you are still having views on your channel, you're having engagement, you are going to make a whole lot of money as a startup YouTube channel. Now, the last one I'm going to be talking about is the tech and the software, that is the AI tools. We are talking about tech reviews, how to review software you can use for your channel and all that, and AI tools reviews. These people, they make a whole lot of money. They have a lot of high CPM and they have frequent sponsorship. Their potential brand sponsors are VidIQ, Worldshare, Nivea, Grammarly, ClickUp. These people are big brands and big name. And if these people are reaching out to you, they will pay you big amount of money. So you should know that you are not wasting your time on YouTube if you are into this bigger niche. And now I'm going to be talking about the lower CPM niche. That is niche that is not going to really bring in branches for you. You are just going to be wasting your time on YouTube. Except you have, the only clause to this is that except you have millions of views on your videos, that is when maybe one or two brands is going to reach out to you. Now, these are niche that you are supposed to avoid, or if you are doing it, you need to niche down properly and know what you're doing. The first one is comedy skits and prank. These people, once you are doing this type of niche, you really feel, you will filter a lot of brands deals. Like you're not going to get big brands reaching out to you except you have millions of subscribers, millions of followers on your social media, and you have millions of. And now, those in the gaming niche, if you are doing gaming and you're not niche focused, you will not make a lot of money on YouTube. Those that are doing motivation, quotes, and inspirational niche, this niche, many of them, they used to do it as faceless channel. You will not get brand deals, you will not get money. Brands want to work with those that are doing their content with their face and they are also giving value and they have a lot of valuable subscribers. Now, also those in the vlog and lifestyle that are not niched down, you're just general, you're just doing everything, you're just posting everything about your life, you're not niched down. Brands will not be able to focus and reach out to you because you're not niche focused, you're just doing everything. And now those doing story time, commentary, and drama, you will not be able to get brand deals if you are doing this. You have now, brand looks for content creators that align with their product, so you need to niche down with whatever you're doing on YouTube. niche down. That's what I'm going to be saying. You will mention tools for product naturally. I'm going to mention tools on your videos so that you can be able to attract brands that will work with you. Mention tools that you use, mention tools that you like, that you want your subscribers to also use. Mention tools. You have to do everything in this life. You have to put in money. You have to put in the work to be able to get money. What is that? You have to be able to do free advert for people even when they do not ask you to, so that you can attract the brands that you are looking for. That is it for this video, guys. So if you are looking to getting your 4,000 watch hour, or you are looking to getting your 1,000 subscriber, watch this video right here. I'm going to be posting it in the comment section also. And now, if you know that you're a small YouTuber and you've gotten brand deals before you got your 1K subscriber, put it in the comment section. Let's share your experience with me in the comment section, and I'll be replying with you.